know. Welcome. Today we are making a
Paper plane.
We haven't named this plane yet, but it's pretty cool. It does loops. It can go straight, I think, but it might not be a straight flyer. I think it's more of a looper. But it's a very great plane, so we're teaching it today. So, you start by going upwards like this. Well, actually, what do we need for this?
Paper.
Paper. You need paper and Scotch tape. It's a pretty good flyer, although I might recommend folding these down. You want them. So don't think that's going to catch air, because it doesn't. It actually helps it fly. So ready? Well, you start by going upwards. And then what do? Do you know what to do? Do you remember? No, you don't? Okay. So you put your book in your lap and okay, start with a simple fold up like this. If it's not perfectly lined up, that's okay. And then you'll have a line. You have a line. And then with the line, turn it back.
Like a book.
Do you turn? Yeah, I think you do. All right, so you turn it back. And fold these two in. I think you do. Yeah, fold these two in. Oh, sorry, I just had to think. I made this one up. You fold these two into the line. They're not perfectly straight, that's okay. Right? Like that. Alright. So, then, take the edges. This one's a little hard, but here. Take the edge, fold it in, like that. And then you fold this one in. Make sure they're like that. To make them like that. So it looks like, can you show them yours? It looks like, I know you don't know how to make this one, so it's a little bit harder. I think I would make that a little deeper. Good. Good job. Those are the hard folds. I know you want to fold them like all the way, but that's not what you're supposed to do. You ready? So show them this. This is what ours are going to look like. Good, Archie. All right, ready? So, you're going to take the point, and you're going to fold it down. You're going to take the point, and you're going to fold it down like that. Then, you're going to fold it up. Like that. Messy side out. Like that. I think that's how you do it. Yep, exactly like that. Then, this is a hard part. You just want to
This way? Or here from the back?
Like that.
Do it from the back?
Kind of like the plane, like the last plane that we did.
Yeah, from the back.
Then you take the other one and you fold it.
Like this?
Yep, exactly like that. Nice. All right, and then we'll fold it up a little and down. There's your plane. See if it's the same size.
That was
No,
short.
it's not the same size. So,
Look how good his wings go down.
well,
Scotch tape.
Scotch tape. Take your Scotch tape, get a piece.
I'm gonna tape it all the way across, so I need it.
Okay, you can tape. You don't have to tape it all the way across. That's just the way me and Archie are doing it. I'm only doing 2 pieces. Are you taping like all of it?
No, basically all
No,
of
that's
it.
wasting tape, Archie.
I'm not going to tape all of it.
Okay.
Just gonna use this piece of tape.
There we go. Want to show them how that flies?
Once I get mine done.
Okay. Get yours down and show them how to fly. It's probably going to do a loop, but we're going to tilt yourself, so. Oh, you're going to squeeze that. You got that? Okay. Oh. Wow, yours looks good. Wow. Hold on, where's mine? This one's mine. I'm going to fold these in a little more. Want to see what it looks like? Hold on. Did I just make that too short? I don't know. I don't know what I did. So, that's just what they look like. All right, let's draw them. So, we're going to tilt you up. That. Sit that. And then throw it over the thing. Okay? Throw. Go, Archie. This is Archie's. Wow, did they even see that?
Oh no!
Well, that they looked good, didn't they? Well, they're not the best flyers, but they're pretty good. You have to see his flyer planes.
Bye.
Bye.